Up them poles on them, birdie.
Okay guys, so I'm back with a new video, and this video is a skincare routine, and I know this is probably not one of the videos that you expect to see on my channel after being gone for my usual breaks, but honestly, like, I needed to come and tell you guys about like my skin. If you guys don't know me, I am a big, like, I really believe in skincare. Before makeup or anything, I believe that your skin should always be good. I hate to see people, you know, like, put product and makeup and so much heavy stuff on their skin and then not take care of their skin the way they should. I've always had pretty decent skin. I've always had good skin, but of course I've always dealt with you know, breakouts, like small breakouts, pimples, and especially dark marks. Ever since I was younger, I always had raccoon eyes. I always had dark circles around my eyes, and I've always suffered with dry skin. I went to a skincare specialist and she told me that I had normal skin, but I definitely noticed that my skin was on the drier side. Now, I've been perfecting my skincare routine, doing a whole bunch of different things just to get my skin flawless and perfect. And honestly, this is the first time in my life that I felt like my skin has been damn near perfect. So I don't really have any before and after pictures of my skin, but this is the condition of my skin after I've been using this crazy magic beauty cream for a week. Now, I just got this skincare system. It's called Radiant Skincare System by Duvel, and I love spin brushes. It comes with a body brush. It comes with two small cleansing and exfoliating brushes. I'm sorry that the lighting is off. And it also comes with a pumice stone. And right here, I'm just showing you, it comes with an instruction booklet of how to use the product and all the parts it comes with. When I use any skincare system, what I like to do is run it under warm water for 10 seconds to soften up the bristles, even though these bristles are already soft. And I'm going to use my Clean & Clear cream cleanser that I've used in another video in the past. So right here, I'm just cleansing my face as I usually would, using the cleansing bristle brush. And I'm not really going that fast. The video is sped up, but these bristles are so soft. I can literally do this all day. I do have a coupon code which will be listed in the description and also in this video, so you can get some money off if you decide to buy this product. Now here is the secret beauty cream. You cannot see it here, but this product is called NEOPROSONE, and I'm also using TOPICLEAR. I swear by this product. It literally cleared my skin in 7 days. No breakouts, no pimples, and it fades my dark marks. I will list the links below so that you could find this product, but I literally just put this on my skin and that's it. I don't use a toner. I don't do anything else. I just put this on it and go. My skin is moisturized for the whole day. My makeup looks good on top of it. And guess what? I'm not turning into a white woman. I'm not brightening my skin so much that I'm losing my melanin. So this product just works fairly simple. The active ingredient is hydroquinone. I hope I'm saying that right. And that's what, you know, brightens your skin and fades the dark marks. And used in moderation, it will not bleach your skin. And I love this product. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna come back with, you know, some new stuff. So make sure you follow me on all my social media, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.